Hello everybody, welcome to Buck Does It. Today we're going to give you part 5 of the rust repair on the Cruda. So let's get at it. Yep, thought I'd give you a shot of the inside here. Got a hole there to fix and a little bit here, and I don't know what's underneath those patches. We're going to find that out today, I believe. Let's see if we can get this here. 9 of 87. There's some old belts. I'm going to lop this off here, and I'm going to take this bar here and down there out too. Most likely, well, not most likely, I'm going to take the front part of this bar out. I don't plan on going that fast anyway, so and then that will help me repair all of this in here and get the dash and all back in there. And if I need roll bars at a later date, I think I would rather put new ones in anyway. So that's where we're at. We're gonna get the vacuum sweeper out here and clean all this up, get this all out, see what's underneath the carpet here. I believe everything's okay. I got to get this off yet too. And I got her outside, was doing some grinding, smoothed that out, cut some holes in here I need to patch. And I got some more holes there and there, and then I also was doing some pressure washing up in here, clean out some of the greasy, grimy cuda guts. The steering box, which I'm probably not going to use, but we washed her up anyway. There we go. Washed some of the little bit of the grime off the upper and lower control arms. I'll hit that again each time. We're getting there. Alright, I'm going to cut a patch panel for this hole here. And what I did is I put strips of tape this way, and then I put a few this way. And then I got a razor blade here. And I'm going to try to follow the outline here. I just run the razor blade right up against the cut. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Alright, let's see how we did here. I got to cut across here. Would help if I had a sharper blade, though, let me tell you. There we go. Now what I'll do is I'll cut it a little wider and bigger, so I can just trim it down and give it a final finish. I got a piece right here. Pretty close. Make this just a little bit bigger here. Go. Now buzz it here, buzz it there, and then we'll figure that out later. Alright, not too bad for a first cut. A lot of trimming to do, and we'll just fine tune it as we go. probably get my angle grinder in here and just shave her down as I go along and then get her to fit. Yeah, now I got to pick a side to start from. Do I start from this side? I think so. And then trim as I go up. What I'll do is let's see how she fits in there now. Still more. I cut a lot off of there. I'll take some here and some there. All right, we can do that. We can do that. There we go. All trimmed up, ready to go. I got to do this little half moon here yet too, but we'll figure that out later once we get some stability in here. All right, another patch panel of tape made. Let's see how this there we go. Got to find a piece of metal now. Let's see how she fits on this piece. Maybe if I go this way. How about if I go this way? There we go. Yes. Just got to straighten this edge out here. Could go this way though too. I don't know if I have enough room there though. No, I don't have enough. I do have enough that way though. I think I'm digging it this way. Yeah. Yep. So I like this panel here because it's actually from an S10. So it's a factory panel. Let's see, we want to go, I don't know, how did I do that? This way. I'll try to get that cut there. So we'll just cut down here. Okay. All right. Make it a little bigger. Like, bought the old metal shear here when it was a cheap thing off of Amazon. Works pretty good though. Saves on the dust flying around. Do 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 do. Now, let's see here. Get this one. Let's see if we can do this one. I don't know. Did it. Now, this one here we need to go just a little bit wider. A little bit of chicken fry. Full beans, y'all. I think we did it. Alicia. All right. Another thing I'm going to do is take this tape off of here. Won't need that anymore. Yeah, I keep thinking maybe I should have waited till the parts came in off the back order. But is that a whole lot more work? Or not? Hey, hey. Hi, hi, hi. So suck your toe all the way to Mexico. Do 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 do. All right, so we got to go to the S. Let's go this way. Same way here. Let's put a bend in there. Put a bend in there. Just have that cut piece of roll bar here. Can't see, can't see, can't see. Let's transfer it over here. All right, that'll work. There we go. Now we just want to so we also got to bend this too. Huh. How about that? Let's see if we can do that too. Wow, I'm a floor pan maniac. Let's see here. Well, I'll be. That fits in there pretty nice. A little bit of shaving here, a little bit of shaving there. A cut here. I'm digging it, yo. Let me put a little patch in here, a little patch in there, and I'll be happy. Happy, happy, happy. All right. The other thing I got to do is, before I start trimming, I want to clean this up, clean this up here, and cut back on here a little bit. Oh, the holes are getting bigger. A couple more spot welds I drill out of there. Got the shop vac ready. And suck all this dirt up down inside there. And I have to go. I still have a quarter panel left from the buck, so I'm gonna go cut a piece out of there. That's nice thick metal. I put it down in here. See how that works out. I got all the rust taken care of on the floor here. Looks a little Frankensteinish, but it'll be fine. Still got one more hole here to patch. And I don't know what I'm going to do back here. There's about a dozen or so holes. I have no idea what they're for. But I want to make sure I keep the holes for the seat. And this all can be done later. Next thing I want to figure out is this brake pedal deal here. Brake pedals, get that all straightened out in here, and then I could start doing the body work up in here to get the windshield ready to go in, and we'll put the dash in, the dash pad, and then all this other stuff from here back can be done later. I just wanted to get this. I wanted to get a floor pan, but they're on back order. I don't know when they're coming in, so I thought, well, man, I could have this all patched up by the time they come in. And it was hit over here anyway. Everything's all crinkled up. So you put the floor pan in, and you lower the lower cowl, and then who knows what else you're going to run into. So that's where I'm at there. Next up also is cut that piece of roll bar out of there, get that seat out of there, and see what I got over there. I don't think I have much as far as repair work on the floor over there. That floor was real decent. It was just this area here. All right, I got all the patchwork done in here. I'm going to get some of that bed liner, Herculiner paint, and I'm going to try that in here and see what that looks like. And there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes on that hump there, and I still got another one right here. Right? Got this all patched up here too. Well, I finally got all the stuff out of the back seat. Just looks like I got some surface rust to deal with there. The old Pour 15 will take care of that. And then I only have a little bit of, I kept the moldings out because I want to try lining stuff up with those. Everything else I put in a box. So that's where we're at there. Waiting for the bed liner stuff to come in to try that on here. And in the meantime, I'm patching here and patching over there. Now, a Bondo fiberglass. Putting some fiberglass in to build it up. Got to build it up over there too. And I have almost all this stuff painted up in here. That'll be it for this video. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.